Patel, and I am in Physics 223, and I will be talking about Homework 2 Problem 7, which is about the acceleration of a bus. And when we were given a function, and we were given the rate of acceleration for that bus, which is 1.6 meters per second cubed. And the function there is alpha t, where alpha again is 1.6 meters per second cubed. The point of this problem was to figure out the velocity and the position of the bus at different times based on the acceleration function. And so to find the velocity, what we had to do was take an integral of the original function there, which is, again, axt is equal to alpha t. Again, alpha is 1.6 meters per second cubed, so that's a constant. So if we go over here, we go ahead and look, and we take the integral, taking into consideration the initial velocity of the object. And in this case, the initial velocity of the bus was 5.2 meters per second. We took the integral, and what we're left with is an integral from 1 to 4 of alpha t squared over 2. And our time interval was to find the velocity at 1 second and 4 seconds. So we plug in 4 for the first t, and then we subtract the 1 second for the second part, and we go ahead and find the final answer of 17.2 meters per second. And now that function that we got for the velocity with respect to time, we have to take the integral of that one to find the position function. So if we go down here, we go ahead and we find that our position function of time is going to be 5.2 t plus 1.6 t cubed over 6. And again, we have our time interval from 1 to 4 seconds. So we plug in our 4 and we plug in our 1, and we get